Here we are again, old vegan and young vegan is on the camera. We're going to do a dinner tonight again, and it's going to be a spicy sushi burrito. And these are a lot of the, I've already cooked the sushi rice, and then we're going to have orange bell pepper, English cucumber, carrot, green onions, avocado, sriracha, baked tofu, and by the way, this was sriracha also, so that's the other thing that's going to be spicy. And then, yeah, whatever. We're gonna roll it up in sushi nori and have wasabi with it, and a bunch of black sesame seeds and white sesame seeds. I think that's about everything, and so we'll show you more as we go along. All right, so we've got all of our ingredients ready to go, and our nori out, and we're going to. Do we do avocado first or rice first? Rice is first.
Rice first, yeah.
All right, make sure we do this right. So we're going to put some of our sushi rice, cover a piece of nori, and then we're going to spread some of the avocado on and assemble the other ingredients. And
Give you guys a better shot of that, actually.
Anthony will then show us his rolling process.
Wish me luck.
So, and we'll show you what it looks like as we get done. We have to do the same thing. We put another video out where we had to roll it up in paper. Well, we got to do that again. So it'll be interesting. But
we only have to cut it once.
Only cut it once, and also it is a big fat one. It's supposed to be that way, and we're good at making big fat ones.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we'll show them when they're all assembled, and when we go to eat the first one, we're gonna make 2 of them.
Alrighty. I'm working with pre-roll, so like we mentioned, this is going to be quite large. So yeah, wish me luck in rolling it. If you want to see my first attempt at trying to roll something like this, we'll put a link to that in the video description below. It's funny, to say the least, but it came out good tasting. So yeah, this is going to be interesting. Alright, see you guys when we have the finished product. Okay, so this is basically the finished product. We were supposed to add this, but we're going to add it on top with wasabi. But it came out pretty decent. It was so fat that it barely was able to seal, but it came out looking like the burrito that it's supposed to be.
Yeah,
So
it's supposed to be a big burrito.
So we're gonna dig in. It's just eating like a regular burrito, so just by hand. And yeah, that's that. See you guys shortly. Just real quick, here is the second one. We took it out of the paper just so that it was a little bit more presentable in the other one, but it's kind of messy to eat it that way, so we're gonna leave it in the paper this time. But yeah, came out good looking. All right, that was an excellent dinner.
It really was, and you know, our technique is getting better and better. Practice makes perfect, I think. And you know, the main thing we learned tonight was just don't put so much in it. You know, it's like,
yeah,
you know, if we even put about a quarter less of what we put in there, it would have sealed up nicely. But so good. Oh, that one's the best. I mean, the best tasting.
I think so.
Yeah, I mean, I definitely. I want to have that one.
It really was a sushi burrito.
It really was, and just whatever, the sriracha, both in the tofu and then extra. I didn't even notice the wasabi hardly at all. Like when I put it in, you know.
Yeah.
But I like the sriracha a lot.
It made a lot more sense to mix everything in before we put it, because we actually forgot to put the sriracha sauce on the first one, and then we just mixed it all up in the second one. That was a lot easier, a lot less messy, eating it in the paper, all that.
Yep.
But
yeah, and I want to try it again before too long, just to, you know, confirm to myself that I can roll one up and it will seal and everything, and it came close. I mean, it was funny, on our second burrito, I made sure to put all the wet ingredients down low and the dry ones, that didn't help. It just squeezed out.
Yeah.
Anyway, so
yeah, we both ended up with about an inch of where it didn't seal. But like you said, it's just a little bit too much stuff.
Yeah,
that's all there was to it. But the recipe called for what we made, making 2. So
yeah,
it just came out that way.
I also just think, I wish there were bigger sheets of nori. That would solve the problem also. It's like you've only got so much and they're not very big. And but it couldn't have tasted better. It was really good.
I'd like to have it again just on that account alone.
Absolutely. Yeah. So,
well, all right, I guess that's it for this video. Remember to like and comment and subscribe, share all that good stuff, and we'll see you guys next time.